Hello everyone. Do you love colors? Today is all about cooking and colors. This recipe has so much color and flavor, and it's healthy. Let me show you how to make tasty colorful macaroni with mouth-watering steak. It's awesome and yummy. Get your macaroni, beef steak, sausage, vegetable oil, butter, purple cabbage, carrot, green, yellow, and red bell pepper, spring onions, garlic, spices, soy sauce, bouillon cubes, salt, and dandelion leaves. And of course, it's dandelion flowers. Start by boiling your water, add salt. Once it comes to a boil, add your macaroni. Heat up your pan and drizzle a bit of oil and butter. Place your T-bone in the pan and flip until you get that brown color on both sides. Remove it and put your steak in the baking pan. Chop some onions, garlic, carrots, and spring onions. Add spices, drizzle some vegetable oil, add a little soy sauce, and place it in the oven on low heat. Start slicing all your veggies. Just look at that. Come closer. So colorful. The macaroni is ready. Do not overcook it. Strain out the water and set it aside. In the same pan, add all your sliced sausage, onions, spices, and bouillon cubes. Let it fry together a bit. Add a little more vegetable oil and pour all the veggies. It smells so good. It looks great. And now it's time to add the macaroni. Stir it all together. Add a little soy sauce and your spring onions. We're almost done. Can you see what I'm seeing? This is really good. Let me bring out the steak and taste this meal now. I promise you a colorful, tasty, healthy recipe, and here you have it. Colorful, tasty macaroni with very silky steak, garnished with dandelion leaves and flowers. Do you know that dandelion is so rich in iron, potassium, vitamin A, vitamin C, and K? Interesting, right? Keep watching Fofolicious Food Bites for more recipe, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.